Hello, today I'm in Opel Meriva. In this video I'll show you how to change units on speedometer display. Firstly, we are going to use this lever. Simply press the menu button and then navigate via these buttons. To confirm, press the button on the top of the lever. So firstly, let's press menu button, search unit, press set clear button, and now select between mode 1, 2 and 3. Press the set clear button again, and now we've got miles and gallons. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.